Did you know Mr. Beast, the world's biggest YouTuber, took 4 years and hundreds of videos to reach his first 1000 subscribers? When you're just starting out on YouTube, the hardest part is this. You post a video, pour hours into it, edit it with care, but when you check the views, it's like 12 or 13, maybe 20 if your best friend watched it twice. And it's so heartbreaking to see other creators quickly get so many views and subscribers. Maybe you start thinking, is YouTube really for me? Most people on YouTube quit after 6 to 12 months of actively posting. But honestly, YouTube is a long game. If Mr. Beast had given up in a year or two, he wouldn't be the world's biggest YouTuber. I started my YouTube channel with a simple goal: to learn and teach AI. Like every other YouTuber, my journey has been everything but easy. But honestly, what I didn't expect is how much YouTube changed me as a person. Trust me, the journey has been worth it. Today, I want to tell you 6 ways on how YouTube has transformed my life even with low views and how it could change yours too. Let's start with the big one: mental resilience. Basically, speaking in front of camera is like taking your ego out of your body and putting it in front of somebody else to be attacked. And that's a scary position to be in. If not scary, at least uncomfortable. Speaking in front of camera and hitting that publish button is full of different emotions. It's not the same as speaking on a Zoom call or when someone asks you a question that you don't know the answer for. And when you do this consistently for weeks, months, and years, even if it doesn't show instant results, that's a sign of how mentally tough you are. It's a sign of mental strength, resilience, and the ability to never give up. It tells that you're ready to do whatever it takes. I started making these videos on AI with a view in my head: I'm here for the long run. Patience is key when it comes to YouTube. Unless you're a celebrity, it takes a while to see real growth on the platform. People are watching these videos on YouTube for free. They're not paying any subscription fee. And that's why it's harder to keep the viewers glued to your videos. A YouTube video is a full-on package with so many parts: camera confidence, storytelling, editing, and keeping up with those challenges shows endurance and persistence. And if you think about it, once you grow these abilities, then you can apply this to any walks of your life, be it hitting the gym to lose weight or learning a new skill. Next is the power of small steps. Let's be real, nobody is perfect in their first video. Not you, not me, no one. I used to binge watch tutorials, watch so many videos on YouTube, watch the creators break down the editing hacks, storytelling techniques, camera setups. But here's what I learned: you don't actually improve until you start creating your own videos. So, I made a deal with myself. With each video, I'll improve one thing at a time. Sometimes it was my editing. Sometimes it was my camera confidence, sometimes my storytelling. A lot of times just remembering into the lens instead of looking at my own face while speaking on the camera. And slowly those little tweaks added up. And you know the funniest part? I have been in tech for over 14 years and I thought this should be easy. But when I started diving into AI and making videos about it, I realized this field is moving at lightning speed. Even the experienced techies need to sprint really fast to keep up with the latest changes in the AI world. And on top of it, being a full-time working mother has its own challenges: the brain fog, the forgetfulness, and the exhaustion. So I turned YouTube into my personal transformation challenge. If I can learn AI, make videos on it while being a full-time working mother, I can learn anything in life. And I know I'm nowhere near perfect. My views are still low. But when I look at my earlier videos, I see a significant growth. So here's the lesson I learned: progress beats perfection. I realized the power of small steps, small, consistent wins. Those steps will take you far rather than waiting for the perfect moment to arrive in life. When I started using AI as part of my work and then I started creating content on it, I thought that everybody wants to know how AI works. Being an engineer and a techie, I like to learn things from basics. So I posted a lot of cringe videos on how AI works, but 2 of my most performing videos were on AI courses. Turns out that people do want to learn AI, but they don't want to learn from a random YouTuber. They want to learn it from reputed sources. And I also realized that people want to know the practical applications of AI rather than going too technical or deep. And these two videos helped me get the maximum number of subscribers. When I started, I did not think of making videos on AI courses, but over the time, I realized what my audience needs are. A lot of people were also interested in learning how to prompt, another outlier on my channel. So the point I'm trying to make is that over the time you realize what your audience demands are and what gives most value to them. This takes me to my next point, which is about creating value. When someone watches a video on YouTube, it's because of two reasons. Either they are entertained by it or they're learning something new from the video. As I run an educational channel, I want to make sure that I create an impact on my viewers' mind if I want them to return to my channel. Even if one person is saying that they're learning something from my videos, it's definitely worth pushing for. And if one person is feeling like that, maybe others are feeling too. And week by week, that YouTube channel becomes the repository of knowledge, helping you create digital assets. Number 5 is creating a digital profile. Even if no one is watching your videos, remember that you're creating a digital profile. Every video, regardless of the views, is a stepping stone and an investment that shapes your identity as a creator and builds a digital portfolio for future audiences. For example, if I upload a video today, it might get only 50 views today. But here's the thing, it stays on YouTube forever. Someone might discover it 6 months later, binge some of my videos and subscribe, maybe share it with a friend, and slowly the channel can start growing. That's the ripple effect on YouTube. Each video, no matter how small it seems, create waves that you can't see immediately, but they're working in the background. As a result, I get to create a digital profile for myself. And for sure, that takes years to build. If I apply for a job requiring a specific skill on AI, my YouTube channel is a living proof that shows my expertise and knowledge in this field. Last but not the least, financial opportunities. YouTube videos are like little pieces of digital real estate, and it can turn into passive income once the channel is monetized, as long as you keep posting and people continue to watch your videos. Consistent posting is crucial to grow the channel, and you could be one video away from your Mr. Beast moment. This can also lead to collabs, affiliate marketing, coaching opportunities, and launching new products and courses. There are so many examples out there where people have left their day jobs because of the income they managed to generate with YouTube. So if there's one thing I've learned in this journey is this: YouTube is not about views, subscribers, or algorithms. It's about growth. Personal growth. Every video you post, every skill you learn, every ripple you create, it's shaping your future in a way you can't even see yet. And maybe, just maybe, the video you create today becomes the reason someone starts their journey tomorrow. I have around 1,200 subscribers at the time of recording this video, and I'm thankful to each one of you to be a part of my journey. I'm grateful from the bottom of my heart to the people who have voluntarily subscribed to my channel. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, if you like content on AI and how it can help you grow in your career, please do me a favor. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It tells me you're with me on this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.